Yeah, after you wash the brush, it's very tricky because it tends to pull the paint up off. If you don't want it to lift the paint off, you've got to stop painting vertically like this, because painting vertically stabs the bristles in. You'll see me drop my brush down and pat across the surface with the new paint. And it doesn't dig it up. If you want to dig, you keep your brush vertical. If you want to pat and layer a layer across the existing paint, you keep your brush really flat along the surfaces, almost horizontal to where the canvas surface is. The flatter you lay your brush, the more paint you'll get laid on top.